Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Hyperice knee. Charge the device, then select your desired intensity and mode before placing the sleeve. Align the motor over the patella and ensure the straps are snug but not restrictive. Start on a low setting and increase gradually while monitoring comfort. Use sessions of 10 to 20 minutes and always allow skin to rest between uses for best recovery results. Begin by sitting with your leg relaxed and slide the sleeve up until the motor centers on the patella. Fasten the straps so the sleeve feels secure but not tight, allowing normal blood flow. Check that no fabric bunches under the motor and that the sleeve stays in place when you bend your knee. If you feel pins and needles, loosen the fit and restart at a lower intensity for a safer session. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's black ice is great for masking gym and sweat smells in your car after training, and it pairs nicely with recovery routines. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Power on the unit and select a mode that matches your goal, such as vibration for warm-up or compression for soreness. Begin at the lowest intensity and increase only until you feel effective, comfortable stimulus. Monitor how your knee responds and keep sessions within the suggested 10 to 20 minutes. If discomfort or unusual pain occurs, stop and consult a professional before resuming. Regular, moderate use supports recovery without overdoing it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.